today. I've got to clean my tools so I can stick them in my toolbox. You can't put them in there dirty. I'm just going to soak them with some degreaser and then clean them off. And Kimmy's happy. There you go. Spray those buggers. There's a mixture of metric and imperial and shifters. Some of the shifters are jammed. This will help loosen them up a bit. I've got to get back into my shed and do some mechanical work. I'll clean this place up. Sort all the tools. Alright, bit of an update. Whoa, so here they are, nice and clean. The imperial tray and the metric tray. What do you reckon? Just chuck them in there like that and leave them? Or would you organize them? And if so, how would you organize them? Give us a tinker. Give us a...
I would do as largest to smallest. That's what I would do.
From big to small is what you would do?
Yeah.
But how would you keep them in place so they don't move? Some of the doubles I have, I'll put in the car kit. I've got spanners so far from China, Germany, Russia, Italy, Australia. I've got a set here of something, but they look really cheap, but they're not broken. This one I've had for 35 years. Anyway, what would you do? What would you do?
I sorted the colourful ones.
She sorted the colourful ones there. Pretty. Why didn't you put these ones here too, like this?
I didn't think it would fit.
Let's make mechanical music. So anyway, what would you do? Oh, I have another goodie here. I was thinking of modifying for my Jeep. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Ooh, isn't it beautiful? Rick, you have a new baby. Yes, I'm going to modify that for the Jeep. You'll be able to breathe. Beautiful. I pick these things up on the cheap when I can. Look at this. Look at all these. I'll pick them up for $10. I've got some more pipe spanners here. They're not in there. The pipe spanners, so will go in here, but beep 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 beep. They'll probably go somewhere here. You don't normally need them very often, but they're always handy to keep. I've got my calipers, my lasers, my power tools. Yeah, so I've picked that up, cheap, those, and got a Walbro fuel pump, good for 800 horsepower wheels or something. That's a lot bigger than the Jeep one. So, if you want to see that, you want to see me install them, guess what you got to do? You got to bloody well subscribe, that's what it is. What do you have to do? That's it! Now, you see that finger of yours? Just move it down and click. Because in the future, there'll be some fun stuff coming up. Got it? Do it. Take care. Stay safe.